So good day everyone, I am just another Best, a research and third year student. So today I'll be cooking a sweet delicacy that is called Ube Turon Malagkit with cheese. So I learned this recipe from my cousin who is making this as her business for years now. So for the ingredients, we have here the malagkit rice, the ube condensed milk, the evaporated milk, the cheese, the margarine, and the lumpia wrapper.
First, wash the glutinous rice and rinse well. Put in a pot, then add evaporated milk and water. Cover and cook in a medium-low heat, just like cooking regular rice. When cooked, transfer the glutinous rice to a large pan. Add the ube condensed milk and margarine. Cook in a low heat while stirring occasionally until the mixture becomes sticky and hard to stir. Once cooked, set aside and let it cool completely. After cooking the cooked sticky rice, time to wrap. Put around 1 tablespoon of sticky rice mixture in one end of the lumpia wrapper. Spread and form into a log. Add filling of 1 cheese strip and roll and wrap the mixture. Seal the ends with water, do the same thing rest of the mixture. Next, heat some oil in a pan for deep frying. Then fry the wrapped sticky rice until golden brown. Sprinkle some sugar and wait until it caramelizes and coat the fried sticky rice. After frying, put in a wire rack to drip excess oil and to keep the wrapper crunchy.
So at this point, we will have our taste test together with Miss Jessica Saladaga. So again, this dish is called Ube Turon Malagkit rice with cheese filling. So with sikwate drink. So I can start now.
Okay. For me, this turon is very delicious. It's sweet, but it's not that sweet, and it's a very good combination with the cheese inside. You can really taste the sweetness of the cheese as well as the malagkit rice with ube. So for me, it's really good. How about you?
So for me, this turon is also a delicious recipe. It is so crispy and it is really good for business. And aside from the ingredients are affordable, it is perfect for merienda.
Yeah. Try this at home.
You eat it?
It's good.
So I guess that would be all for this cooking video. See you on next cooking session.
Bye bye.